Welcome to this exercise on the product life cycle or the calculation of amortization periods. Here we have the following data for proceeds or earnings and three different types of costs: upfront, current, and follow-up for the introduction of products. What we should do with this data is first off determine the total costs, the operating income, and the cumulative income or cumulative operating income. Then, based on these statistics, or rather on the cumulative operating income, the payback period for this product introduction. So how do we go about this? First, I'm going to copy the table from before, and then I'm going to add one row where I note the total costs. So I'm going to sum up all these three different types of costs. So here I see this in particular, it's 100 plus 100 plus 600 being 800. Here it's then 0 plus 100 plus 800 being 900. With these costs and the earnings or proceeds, I can calculate my operating income as proceeds minus costs. So I have 0 minus 500, 0 minus 800, 0 minus 700, 0 minus 300. Then here 3,500 minus 300, 4,000 minus 800, 7,000 minus 900. This operating income is then summed up, giving me the cumulative income. So I have minus 500, which I take here, plus the minus 800, giving me minus 1,300, plus the minus 700, giving me the minus 2,000, plus the minus 300, giving me minus 2,300, then plus 3,200, giving me plus 900, plus the 3,200 here, 4,100, and plus the 6,100 here, 10,200. That's all the information I need, because what I see in the first step is that it takes at least 4 years for the amortization to take hold, so for me to break even, because only by the end of 27 will I be with positive returns in cumulative form. Well, how do I get to the exact point? Because it's somewhere between the beginning and the end of 27. Well, it's 4 years plus a certain amount of time I need to get here. How do I get to this certain amount of time? Well, here I start negative. This money is earned over the course of the year, and I have to go this far into this year. So what I'm going to do is just divide 2,300, so my debt from the beginning of the year, by the operating income, giving me the share of the year I have to go into it to break even. So in practice, it looks like this: 4 years and 23 divided by 32, or rather, I could also go with 2,300 divided by 3,200, which is approximately 8.6 something month. Well, so this is the total time it needs for me to break even with this product. Of course, if some statistics in the forecast will change, the payback period might also change. But well, comparisons like this, scenario analysis like this, are no longer part of this exercise. So we are finished at this point. I hope you enjoyed. I say goodbye and see you next time.